clear to land runway 25, wind 280 degrees at 2.
Runway 25, clear to land. Just want to make sure we have medical personnel meeting us at gate 1, United 1146.
46, copy out.
5 is now final approach course established runway on P25.
Virgin 165, heavy Sangster Tower, roger, continue approach runway 25.
Continue approach, runway 25, Virgin 165.
I'm in.
United 1146, have you in sight, wind check, winds calm, clear to land runway 25.
Runway 25, clear to land, United 1146.
United 1146, be advised, runway is wet, negative braking action report received, and negative lane at the station.
Copy, United 1146.
This approaching United aircraft has declared a medical emergency. That usually means that somebody on board is in need of medical attention. In such a scenario, the primary concern is to get the patient or patients timely and appropriate medical attention. This emergency can lead to a flight being diverted to the closest airport. Yeah man, greetings everyone, it's Stewy coming to you again from beautiful Montego Bay, Jamaica with some more runway 25 action. You know that once we say runway 25, it means the aircraft are arriving from an easterly approach. If you follow this channel and you have been watching the video, you would have noticed that the videos, my most recent videos from the past few months, has all the aircraft landing from the westerly approach onto runway 07. This is a special day as the wind doesn't usually change direction like this out of the hurricane season, which starts June 1st.
United 1146, vacate via taxiway Delta.
Vacate Delta, United 1146.
United 1146, you're going to gate 1, when clear runway, contact Sangster ground 121.7. Request a braking action report.
121.7, when clear, United 1146. Braking action good, United 1146.
Roger.
And tower, confirm you have sent medical personnel to gate 1, United 1146.
United 1146, airport operations is aware. Contact ground now 121.7.
121.7, United 1146.
Virgin 165, heavy Sangster Tower, winds calm, you're clear to land runway 25, runway wet, braking action report good by Boeing 73.
Clear to land, runway 25, that's copy, thank you, Virgin 165.
Tower Springs 833 is with you on RMP 25.
Spirit 833, Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 25.
We're going to approach Springs 833.
Virgin 165, heavy around 29er, vacate runway via taxiway Charlie, contact ground 121.7 clear.
Left at Charlie 121.7, thank you, Virgin 165. Sorry, 168, holding short runway 25, we are fully ready.
United 1628, Sangster Tower, roger, stand by, hold short runway 25, have 2 inbound before you release.
Hold short 25, United 1628.
Spirit 833, Sangster Tower, clear to land runway 25, wind calm. Spirit 833, Tower.
Clearance 833, clear to land 25.
Appears wet. Break connection report a goodbye, Boeing 738.
Copy, clearance 833.
United 1628, tower, and confirm you need to back taxi for departure.
That's affirmative, United 1628.
United 1628, roger, hold shot 07. We have one more aircraft on the approach, and after that comes in, I'll be able to release you.
Understood, no problem. Hold short, runway 25, United 168.
West 1116, final runway 25.
That's right, 2116, Sangster Tower, roger, continue approach runway 25, number 1 traffic, over the lights.
Roger, continue, I said 2166.
Arab 32, vacate runway via taxiway Charlie, when clear, contact door 117.
Charlie and 217, 2333. Clear land 25 west jet 1160.
West 2116, breaking action report is good by Boeing 738, runway approach west.
Roger, thanks for that. We're going to go to gate number 8, Ocho.
Ocho Tower copies, clear to land 07. Ocean 25. Western 2116, Arab 36, vacate runway via taxiway Charlie. Right, clear contact door 127.
Charlie 217 west jet below.
United 1628, Sangster Tower, enter runway United away runway 25.
Enter the runway line up and wait 25, United 1628.
United 1628, Sangster Tower 1, position your clear, takeoff runway 25, winds calm.
Clear, takeoff runway 25, United 1628.
United 1628, airborne Srinana, contact radar 120.8.
120.8, United 1628.
Tower Air Canada 983 Heavy, fully ready, 25.
Air Canada 983, Sangster International, enter the runway via Alpha, backtrack into position runway 25.
Enter runway at Alpha, backtrack to position 25, Air Canada 983.
Air Canada 983 and once in position, clear for takeoff runway 0, correction runway 25, wind 010 degrees, true north.
Once in position, clear to take off runway 25, Air Canada 983.
Sangster JetBlue 1179 is Jamaica inbound.
JetBlue 1179er, Sangster International, continue approach runway 25, releasing a Boeing 789er.
Okay, you approach JetBlue 1179er.
Canada 983 on the roll.
Roger. JetBlue 1179er, clear to land runway 25, wind calm.
Middle line 25, JetBlue 1179er.
And located departure frequency for Canada 983.
Air Canada 983, affirm airborne 47, contact radar 120.8.
120.8 Canada 983, good afternoon.